What's up, everybody? So this is the gun that we use to create all that privacy slots. And if you're looking to save thousands of dollars, then you definitely need to get a compressor and a gun like this. This is a 2-inch gauge Brad Nailer. You can put different types of staples and nails in here. So I'm going to show you why I like this particular Brad Nailer. Stay tuned for the whole video. All right, guys, so this is the Metabo HPT 2-inch Brad Nailer. It's got a 5-year warranty. It comes with a case. It has a 360 adjustable exhaust, so it allows the user to direct the air away from where they're shooting. It's the same connector as on pretty much every other gun, including this old school Porter Campbell. Now this one is obviously a heavier one. This is definitely one of the lighter guns that I've ever tested. This also has a double penetration feature, which means you press it once and it shoots twice. To remove these, you press this, you slide it down, you load your nails. Now we are using the DeWalt 18 gauge Brad nails. These are 2 inches and 51 mil. They're only 1 millimeter too big, and you can see that they still fit. What you're gonna notice here is that it does tell you the different types of 18 gauge nails that it accepts, all the way from 5/8, 3/4, 1, 1 1/4, 1 1/2, 1 5/8, 1 3/4, and 2 inches. So the trigger is obviously not going to work unless you press this. When you press this, that's when the trigger works. Let's go and plug this in. We are using a Porter Campbell compressor. This will pretty much work with any compressor, and right now we are at 130 psi and about 100 psi on that side. So this is a very basic 2.6 SCFM 90 psi 6-gallon tank. It's got 2 horsepower. It goes all the way to 135 psi, and this obviously is going to work. The connector here is pretty standard. It will work with every single gun, and they also provided you with safety glasses. All right, so we've got a switch here. We're going to flip it up, and then we're going to shoot it. See, trigger nothing. You have to press, and then it shoots. There you go. So with this one, you can obviously get a little higher, and there's no recoil. Really, it just kind of goes in. So I was installing these privacy slots in my backyard, and this nail gun proved to be incredibly helpful. It's very easy to operate, and it doesn't cause any recoil whatsoever, so your hand doesn't get tired because it's also very light. So if you're into do-it-yourself projects and you know that you're going to be working with wood, I highly recommend this product. That's it for the video. See you guys in the next one.